Electricity is amazing. It powers our lights, our TVs, and even our video games. Electricity flows like a river, but instead of water, it's tiny particles called electrons moving through a path called a circuit. Imagine a hose with water flowing through it. That's like an electrical circuit. Now let's build our own simple circuit. We need a battery, a light bulb, and some wires. First, connect a wire to the positive end of the battery. Then connect the other end of the wire to the metal side of the light bulb. Next, connect another wire to the negative end of the battery and the other side of the light bulb. Wow, the bulb lights up. That's because the electricity flows in a complete loop from the battery through the wires and the light bulb and back to the battery. Let's add another light bulb to our circuit. Connect it to the other two components with more wire. The bulbs are dimmer now. That's because the electricity has to flow through both bulbs, making them share the power. What happens if we add another battery? The bulbs are brighter. More batteries mean more power. Some materials let electricity flow through them easily, like the wires in our circuit. We call these materials conductors. Other materials like rubber or plastic don't let electricity flow through them easily. These are called insulators. We can test different materials to see if they are conductors or insulators. For example, if we touch a wire to a metal spoon, the electricity will flow through it and our bulb will light up. But if we touch the wire to a rubber eraser, the bulb won't light up because the rubber is an insulator. Electricity is a powerful force that we use every day. It's important to learn about electricity safely and always be careful around electrical outlets and wires.